Hospital Nocton Hall was a military hospital in Nocton, Lincolnshire. It opened in June 1947 and was situated within the grounds of Nocton Hall. The hospital provided care to forces personnel, their families, and local people until its closure in March 1983. It was leased to the United States Air Force as a wartime contingency hospital. During the Gulf War, more than 1,300 US medical staff were stationed here. The hospital was returned in September 1995 and was later sold and converted into a residential care home before becoming derelict. Nocton Hall itself is rumoured to be haunted by a grey lady roaming its halls.